friends, welcome back to my channel. It is the end of January, and if you're not familiar with my channel, this is the time of the month that I share my monthly thrift store finds. Now, this particular month, it was pretty heavy on the Goodwill. Normally, I really try to go places other than Goodwill just from the controversy associated with it, but this month, I did find some great things. All right, the first thing I found was, and this was something that was on my wish list, and it's one of those baggy openers, if you've never seen this. Sandy over at Make Life Simple with Sandy had demonstrated one of these about a year ago, and I had been wanting one of these and just never did. You know, it's one of those things that when you need it, but you just don't need it very often. They're normally, you know, anywhere between $4 and $6, and I did pay $2.99 for this because it's brand new in the package. So it was still, I got a great deal on it. Another thing is a brand new in the package candy thermometer. I did pay $1.99 for this, and this is definitely less than half price if I were to go to Walmart and buy a new one. Found this cute little glass container with a cork lid for 99 cents. Thought it'd be so cute to put near my coffee pot for sugar at my coffee little bar. Cute little things to put in my shower. One is a facial brush. It was brand new in the package, and the other one's a little nail brush. Just thought those were cute to put in there. I picked up this brand new little pack of pumpkin fall napkins. These are from TJ Maxx originally, and there are quite a few in there, probably 50 in there for 59 cents. So I thought that was really cute. I saw this one week and then came back the next week and it was still there, and I've got to do a little DIY on it, but it was just this little lantern thing that was missing the glass part. So while I was in the store, I looked for a little vase that would fit in there. I'm going to hot glue so that this will stay stationary, but I thought, how cute would this be, you know, outside on my patio table or somewhere. I can lift this up or down to light the little tea light. So I got to do a little work on it, but I thought it was so cute for a total of $3. Found this little wooden rolling pin just to add to my Farmhouse Decor. I paid 99 cents for that. I like to collect little wooden spoons and things to stick on my hutch. Thought this was a really cute, they charged me 59 cents, the price of a placemat, but it was a cross-stitched little lace doily thing. I just thought it was so pretty and had lots of detail in it, and I'll put this on a little end table somewhere. I just thought it was so pretty and vintage. Now, since my grandkids have gotten a lot older, I just don't buy them clothes there anymore. Once you get past 2 or 3 years old, you know, their clothes are hit or miss. One day I walked by my granddaughter's size and just happened to look and saw this adorable little ruffled blouse for her, and it had my college alma mater on it. And of course, you know, being here in Memphis, the chances of me finding something was pretty great. I just couldn't pass this up for like $2.99 now that she's bigger. This would have been at least $20 at the bookstore or somewhere, but perfect condition. I just had to have it for her. I got this cute little frog. This looks like something from Big Lots. 99 cents. I'll stick him outside of my flower bed somewhere. For 99 cents, I haven't seen one of these at the dollar store anywhere. Normally you can only get these like at a beauty supply. But a little manicure bowl to soak my nails off or just to give manicures. I thought this would be something really fun to have. This is a cute little galvanized tin. It was from Hancock's Fabrics. Just a little galvanized little container with a wooden heart. Has a farmhouse decor to it, but I could stick this anywhere in my craft room for, I think, 59 cents. I couldn't believe I found this dish towel. I follow this lady on Facebook that does these boutique auctions. She had some that said the 12 days of a Tennessee Christmas. I wanted one of those dish towels so bad. I went and looked, and they wanted like $12.50 for it, plus shipping and all that. And I just couldn't bring myself to pay $12 something for a dish towel. I could not believe I found nearly the same one that was the 12 days of Christmas in the South. 12 chickens frying, 10 porch swinging, all the way down to and a blossom and a magnolia tree. It's made by Occasionally Made, if you're familiar with that boutique brand. They have a website, adorable stuff. Found this little bush of greenery. You know, you can tell if it's more expensive quality greenery. You know, nothing's more timeless than to stick just some greenery in a little pot of some sort. You can stick that on a patio table, anywhere in a bedroom, on a side table. And I just love the look of just the simplicity of greenery in a container. So I paid $1.99 for this, but I thought it was totally worth it because this greenery would have been at least $5 to $7 somewhere else. Got this little metal sign. It's just made to look rusty, but it says life is good. Thought this was so cute. I'll hang this outside somewhere. This little wooden wreath. It's a pretty good size one. This would be at least $5 at Walmart, and I got it for $1. And last but not least, you can kind of see it under the wreath. Got this adorable ladybug flag for outside in the spring. I have always loved ladybugs, and this will be cute outside. So there you go, friends. Those are my January goodies that I found. Hope you enjoyed it, and I encourage you to go thrifting yourself. Bye-bye.